I'm on your assignment from last night, which is proofs number 2. I'm going to go walk you through 2 of the proofs. First one I'm going to start with is number 3. On number 3, we have parallel lines, so I'm going to state that in my given. AD is parallel to BC. That's given. And from that given, I'm going to pull out those 2 parallel lines with this transversal. I've got angles here and here that are congruent. Angle ADB is congruent to angle DBC, and that is because alternate interior angles congruent. Alright, my next piece of given is AD is congruent to BC, that's a side, so I've used up all the given, but all I have is angle side. I'm looking for a freebie. If you look in here, I've got a pair of vertical angles. We've got angle AED is congruent to angle BEC, vertical angles congruent. Now if you take a look at your markings in here, we've got angle, angle, side. We're done with our proof. The triangles are congruent because of angle, angle, side. Remember, if you put angle, side, angle, that means the side would have to be in between those 2 angles. Here's my 2 angles. This side is not connecting those 2 angles, therefore it's angle, angle, side. Let's go down and take a look at number 4. Again, we're going to start with our given. We have GH is congruent to TV. That is given. So we've marked that. We have I is the midpoint of HV. And again, that's given. That means somehow we have to use that information. I is the midpoint of HV. That lets me know that HI is congruent to IV. And that is a definition of a midpoint. Finally, I have this piece of given, which I have perpendicular lines. That gives us the right angles. Let's actually squeeze that given in here. HV is congruent, perpendicular to GT. I've got angles GIH and angle VIT are right angles. And that is the definition of perpendicular lines. So you might be thinking this is angle side side, but remember the donkey one is not true for congruent triangles. So I'm going to rethink this. Because I have right triangles, I'm looking to see if it might be hypotenuse leg. Take a look. You've got your right angles. Here's your hypotenuse congruent. Here your corresponding legs are congruent. So finally we've got triangle IGH is congruent to triangle ITV, and our reason